Dog runs fast to play with me. Cat sits calm for all to see. Rabbit jumps so soft and small. Hamster runs inside the ball. Parrot talks and sings a song. Fish swims slowly all day long. Guinea pig eats fresh green leaves. Mouse runs fast and never sleeps. Puppy plays and wags its tail.
Kitten jumps and starts to play.
Bird flies softly
In the room,
Lizard rests in sun at noon. Turtle moves both calm and slow. Bunny jumps to say hello. Pets sit with you
in your room.
They say softly, see you soon. Yes, good job.